Lazy Horse, an amazing story. Once, a merchant owned a horse that refused to work. One day, the merchant loaded the horse with salt and led it across a river. The horse stumbled and noticed the load became lighter as the salt dissolved in water. Delighted, it made stumbling a habit. The merchant grew tired of this trick. One day, he replaced the salt with sponges. When the horse stumbled, the sponges soaked up water, making the load unbearably heavy. The horse learned its lesson and stopped being lazy. Moral: laziness leads to heavier burdens in life. Hard work lightens the load. Thank you for watching.